Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect and reconnect the Wi-Fi card cables and how to replace your Wi-Fi card if your Wi-Fi is not working. So it is only for educational purpose, and if you're not confident that you're going to do this, please don't try this at home. And if you're confident and if you are going to do this, please follow my steps carefully. Okay, let's get started with today's video. First, the warning is if you have the removable battery, just remove the battery. Okay, or if you don't have the removable battery, just make sure your laptop has been switched off. So I just removed the battery. And here's my separate section in this Lenovo laptop B570, and it is the 10 years old laptop. So here they have gave a separate section to extend the RAM and to extend the hard drive and also the Wi-Fi card. So I'm going to just remove this panel out. So this is a hard drive, this is a RAM card. So this is actually the RAM which came with this laptop, and this is the RAM which I added myself only. So I got this RAM by my another old laptop, and that was not working. It was a dead laptop, so I just extended that RAM to this laptop. So if you come here, how to check where is this Wi-Fi card? So you will get ID here like MAC ID. If the sticker is on that Wi-Fi, that means that product. So that means it is the Wi-Fi card, and there will be the two cables like this. And to just if you just take this out like this, here you can see I just took this cable out, and even this cable also. So here you can see I took this cable also out. So, and here you can see a screw here. If you just open this Wi-Fi card will come out, and you can also replace this Wi-Fi card. And the troubleshooting steps which I told you in the beginning of the video is, if you are not getting the Wi-Fi, to disconnect these two cables and again reconnecting this. So reconnecting is very simple. Just here it is in his place only. So I'm going to just bring this cable here, and I'm going to put this in. Here you can see this dot. Here only you should connect this cable. So be careful while connecting these cables, as it will be very delicate. So I just reconnected this two cables to its socket. So this way you can easily use my troubleshooting steps if your Wi-Fi is not working, or if you want to change your Wi-Fi card. So I'm going to just take a look at it, and whether my Wi-Fi is working or not, I will show you in just a moment. So I'm going to just run the speed test, internet speed test now. So here you can see it's giving 36 Mbps speed. So this way you can easily troubleshoot your Wi-Fi network if your Wi-Fi is not working, and you can also replace your Wi-Fi card by following my steps as shown in this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.